Hello students, hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to solve exercise 11 from Creative Writing Book 5. So we start our lesson. This is page number 108 from your book. Here is a part. Introduce the following objects taking into account the size, texture, material and function. 1. Mirror. A mirror is usually made of glass. It has a smooth surface. A mirror is used to reflect an image of an object. Some are big, others are small. Some are so small that they can be put in the pocket. There are mirrors that distort an image. It is fun looking into them to see distorted figures of yourself. Mirrors are also found in periscopes or at dangerous bends along roads. 2. Mattress. Mattresses are made from many different types of material. Some are even made of organic material. Mattresses are smooth and they are comfortable to lie on. They usually come in single, queen and king sizes. Some people prefer to sleep on softer mattresses, but some prefer stiffer ones. 3. Cupboard. A cupboard is usually made of wood or plastic. Most homes, schools, and offices have cupboards because they are used to store things. Some cupboards can be moved around easily, while others are built. Cupboards can be used to store books, toys, and clothes. B. Explain the following phenomenon. Go to the library and look for materials if necessary. Otherwise, you may use the helping words found in the box next to each question. 1. Hibernation of the bear. The bear is active from fall to spring. Its heart rate slows down and its body temperature decreases when it sleeps. The bear becomes thin and hungry by the time the winter season is over. 2. The rainbow after the rain. The rainbow is formed when sunlight passes through rain or other forms of water droplets in the air. The rainbow is always in the opposite direction of the sun. 3. The steam over a cooking pot. When water boils, evaporation takes place and water changes to steam. We cannot see steam as it is a gas. Once this gas comes into contact with the cooler air around it, it will lose heat and condensation takes place. See, all of us have experienced being ill at one time or another, be it a headache or a stomach ache, right? On a sickness based on the following aspects. 1. Symptoms. Body aches were the first symptoms that I felt before the sore throat came on. Was also a tightness in my throat and I experienced fever as well. 2. How you felt? I felt very tired and sleepy. I also felt cold as my body would be trembling. My throat was dry and I coughed a lot. 3. Conclusion of the medical checkup. The doctor told me that I had caught a virus. 4. Doctor's prescription. It was difficult to swallow anything. He advised me to drink lots of fluid and stay away from fried food. D. You are a gourmet cook. You are writing a cookbook on the variety of dishes found in South Asia. Introduce one of your favorite dishes in the cookbook by writing about it. 1. Dish chicken karahi. 2. Ingredients chicken, tomatoes, ginger and garlic paste, green chilies, black pepper powder, salt, red chili powder, oil. 3. Cooking process heat oil in a pan, add 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, Add 1.5 kg chicken pieces and stir well. Add 1.5 tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon black pepper, 4 chopped tomatoes, 1/4 tablespoon salt and green chilies. Let it cook until the chicken is tender. For presentation, soak some fenugreek seeds in a separate cup of water. Put the fenugreek seeds in the pan and let it simmer for few minutes. Chicken cry is ready. Serve it with chopped garlic. E. Write a review on a book you have enjoyed reading. Give at least 4 reasons why it is your favorite book. Use specific details found in the book or write down any feelings you had while reading the book. My favorite book, Pete the Cat and His Four Groovy Buttons. It is a novel written by James Dean. 4 reasons why I enjoyed reading this book. 1. I like this book because I want to be brave like Sir Pete. 2. Things I learned from reading this book is to be brave, strong and always help friends. 3. It is a clever concept book that focuses on the numbers 1 to 4, subtractions and counting down. With lots of different colors on every page, children will have fun identifying different colors and objects. 4. In this picture book, kids are encouraged to relax and not get too dependent on stuff for happiness. Moreover, it has simple message. 2. Write a report on the newspaper you enjoy reading. Give at least 4 reasons why it is your favorite newspaper. Describe the layout of the newspaper or anything that holds your attention when you read it. My favorite newspaper, the Daily Dawn, is my favorite newspaper. I like reading it very much. 4 reasons why I enjoy reading this newspaper. 1. It provides me with up-to-date information about what is happening locally and internationally. I always get the information from the newspaper. 2. The headlines are often interesting and are about current issues. I can find out by looking at the headlines. 3. I like the colorful pictures. The pictures are very useful because sometimes when I do not understand what the article is about, I can look at the pictures. 4. My favorite part of the newspaper is the sports corner because I can get information about the present condition of sports and when and where tournaments are going to be held. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.